Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School which is situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today I am here with a new chapter, chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is House and Clothing. So students, what's the name of the chapter is? House and Clothing. So students, in this chapter you will learn about houses are made of different materials, types of roofs, types of houses, clothes we wear. So students, before starting this chapter, let's do the activity which is given here. Here, look at the given picture. This is a picture of fox and a pig. Help the fox reach the pig with the weakest house. So students, here fox wants to reach the pig which is in weakest house. So students, in three pictures A, B and C, the weakest house is A. So students, you have to draw like this with your pencil. Okay? So students, the weakest house is picture number A. Now let's come to the topic. Our first topic is house. So students, do you know why do we need house? We need house to live in. Everyone needs a shelter to live. Houses keeps us safe from hard weather, wild animals and dust. So students, here you can say that houses keep us safe from the hard weathers, wild animals and dust. Houses are built according to the climate of the place where we live. So students, houses are built according to the climate of the place. Now students, let's come to the next topic, that is material used to build house. Students, a house protects us from heat, cold, wind and rain. Different people live in different types of houses. Let us learn more about such houses. So students, our next topic, material used to build house. So people use different things to build houses, like cement to make concrete, bricks for wall and roof, stones to mix with cement, wood for window frames, sticks, mud, straw, etc. And we also use glass for window. Some of things used to make houses are blocks of ice, etc. Now let's come to the next topic, types of roof. So students, there are two types of roof which are found. The first one is flat roof, the second one is sloping roof. So students, the roof of houses may be flat or sloping. Houses in the plains have flat roofs. People living on mountains make houses with sloping roofs so that the snow can easily fall off from the roofs. People living in places where it's rain a lot make houses on stilts with sloping roofs. So students, this paragraph tell us that the sloping roofs houses are found in hilly areas because in sloping roofs the snow can easily fall off from the roofs. People living in places where it's rain a lot makes houses on stilt with sloping roofs because it drains the water. So students, look at the houses which are given in your book. The first house made of mud and straw. You can see there. House made of bricks and cement. Look at the second picture. Here, house made of bricks and cement are given. Now look at the third picture. This is a house with a flat roof. Look at the next picture. This is house on stilts. These houses are made in the place where water are found. So this house is made up of stilts. Now next house is house with a sloping roof. This made the snow fall off from the roof easily. Hope you understand this topic by this video. The remaining part of the chapter we will learn in the next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye and take care. Read this chapter at your home and don't forget to do the homework which are given during live classes. Complete your fair copy. Tomorrow I will check it during the live classes. And you have to learn all the exercises of previous chapter. Food for health. Don't forget to do your work. Thank you, students.